I mentioned there's a lot of other information related to Penny, and this relates more to the college office. So okay, as a college office, you might want to keep all your student records within the system as well, and we cater for that. So moving on to the student management side, what kind of information do we have? We have, this is called a form, and you can alter these forms to be the layout that you need them. It's showing the dates you need, but so this is the standard. I've got some primary information at the top here with a member number, a photograph, and a little bit of information. So Penny's a student, she's an undergrad, and some notes. So she's settled down at the college after a period of adjustment. She's now doing really well. Just a note from her tutor there. Names, we hold various names, so the prefix, the initials, preferred names, any suffixes on the names, any former names are down here as well. The member status. So we're also aware that some students might do some, say, part-time work at the college. So we can put them in as a student and maybe an admin staff. Some alumni also come back and do teaching, so you could be an alumni or academic staff. This helps us segment the members. So if you want to pull out a list of all your alumni or all your administrative staff, it's really easy to do using this. Contact information, so email, phone, addresses, and we've got multiple addresses down at the bottom here, home and term addresses down here as well. I'll just go through these. So personal information we hold against Penny in this account. So I've got date of birth, gender, ethnicity, things like citizenship, country of birth, place of birth. If you don't want this information on the system, that's fine. You can just take it off the screen. If you want more information, you can create more fields that go on the screen. We've got 3 areas down here, and this is, remember, related to the personal information. So I've got disciplinary information here. This was her poor academic performance initially. I've also got information about any visas. So she's got a right of residence visa. And against that, we can put dates, which means that the system will remind you when a student or a member's visa needs renewing. We've also got some medical information here. So if I look at this, we can see that Penny has broke her ankle in August whilst playing football, and she needs to attend classes on the ground floor or where there's a lift. So just useful information as part of the member or the student's information against that. When it comes to the student details, we hold a lot of information here as well. Things like the course they're on, the course length, year that they're on, where they're matriculated from, common room information. Too much to go to in just a short webinar. There's a lot of information here. If there some information about their EPOS numbers, their meal credits, usernames, passwords, if they live out of residence, where they are, when they're expected to return, when they actually returned, and they're leaving. So when they leave, why they left, when they left. Across the bottom, we've got things like what courses they're on, any sponsorships they've got, academic achievements, including exam marks, when they did the exams, any information about that, educational history, where they came from, and any awards on the system as well. And just finally, I'm going to talk about any communication. So any communication with the member using NetSuite will be logged inside this communication area as a message. So any emails or going out or coming in can be logged here. You can see them. You can log activities against a student, things like if they need something fixing in their room, that could be logged here as an activity. Any files, attachments, also here, and any notes. So, like I say, a lot of information, perhaps too much to show, but I hope you'll come back and ask, and we can go through another demo looking at the detail here. But thank you very much.